Hello everyone, myself Shashanksi, currently pursuing MBA in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, which is affiliated to video. Today I am going to present a PPT on recent trends in supply chain management, role of uh, role of IT in supply chain management. The role of IT plays in supply chain management or SCM is so important. IT provides tools which can pick up relevant information, break it down for a proper analysis, and execute it for optimum performance of a supply chain. Data is a pivotal to execution of a supply chain primarily because of it provides a base on which supply chain management can make a decision. Real time or almost real time information is the key to proper supply chain management. With information about the various stages of supply chain, decision makers can plan, manage, and adjust processes to achieve the goals in procurement, inventory, manufacturing. Business processes have been digitalized in the past couple of decades. It has to become a necessity rather than option. Why not? It integrates various operations carried out by different companies in supply chain. It speeds up the business processes and prevents bottlenecks. Companies are closer to achieving on time procurement, shorter inventory, and a better efficiency, especially in manufacturing. IT allows companies in supply chain to meet the needs of consumers. Benchmarking is defined as a process of measuring products, serving services, and process against those of organizations knows to be leaders in one or more aspects of their operations. Benchmarking provides the necessary insights to help you understand how your organizations compare with similar organization, even if they are in a different business or have different group of customers. Definition of benchmarking is a systematic process of comparing an organization performance metrics, processes, and practices against those of industry leaders to best in class organizations to identify performance gaps and opportunities for improvement. Benchmarking can also help organization to identify area systems or processes for improvements, either incremental continuous improvements or dramatic business process re-engineering improvements. Incremental quality improvement versus benchmarking breakthroughs. Features of benchmarking. Objective driven benchmarking is driven by specific objectives and goals. Organization identify areas for improvement and set targets before initiating the benchmarking process. Data driven, the process involves collecting and analyzing data related to key performance indicators to make informed comparisons and decisions. Systematic process benchmarking follows a structured and systematic approach that includes planning, data collection and analysis, implementation, and continuous monitoring. External focus benchmarking looks beyond internal processes, focuses on external comparisons with the industry peers or a best in class organization. Performance metrics, it involves comparing performance metrics such as efficiency, effectiveness, quality, and innovation to understand the strengths and weaknesses of an organization. Strategic alignment benchmarking activities are aligned with overall strategic objectives of the organization, ensuring that improvements contribute to long term goals. Vendor managed inventory is a supply chain management strategy where the supplier is responsible for monitoring and managing the inventory levels of a product at customer's location. In this arrangement, vendor takes an active role in ensuring that the right quantity of a products in available at right time, helping to optimize inventory levels and improve overall supply chain efficiency. Here, the key aspects of managed inventory ownership, vendor managed inventory arrangement. Vendor takes ownership of inventory at the customer's location. The vendor is responsible for replenishing and maintaining optimal stock levels. Data sharing, effective communication and information sharing are crucial. The customer shares the relevant data such as sales, inventory levels, and demand forecast with the vendor. This data helps the vendor make an informed decisions about replenishment. Automated ordering system, often vendor management inventory systems are automated based on the shared data. Predefined roles, and the vendor can automatically generate purchase orders, schedule deliveries. Performance metrics, key performance indicators are established to measure the success of vendor management inventory arrangement. Metrics may include fill rates, on time deliveries, and inventory turns. Continuous replenishment, the goal is to maintain a continuous flow of products without disruption. The vendor monitors inventory levels in real time and initiates replenishment before stockouts occur. Consignment inventory, in some vendor management inventory setups, the inventory is considered consignment stock until it's used sold by the customer. The customer only pays the goods as they are consumed. Collaboration and partnership, vendor management inventory requires a high level of collaboration and partnership between the vendor and the customer. Both parties work closely to align strategies and ensure the success of the inventory management process. Thank you.